Tired of worrying about what your kids might stumble upon online? Let's take control and block those adult websites in Chrome. First up, extensions. Open Chrome and search the Chrome Web Store for a reputable adult content blocker like Blockside or Adult Website Blocker. Install the extension. Once installed, the extension icon will show on the top right of your browser. Click the icon and configure it with the websites you want to block. You can also set passwords to prevent tampering. Next, consider parental control software. Programs like Custodio or NetNanny offer comprehensive web filtering. Download and install your chosen software and create an account. Follow the setup instructions to link the software to your child's user account on the laptop. Within the software, you can customize web filtering settings to block adult content and monitor their online activity. Finally, explore your operating system's built-in features in Windows. Go to Settings, then Accounts, and then Family and Other Users. Create a child account if you haven't already. Once the account is created, you can adjust web filtering settings within the Microsoft Family Safety options to restrict access to inappropriate content. Now you have multiple layers of protection to ensure a safer online experience for your family. Remember to regularly review and update these settings. Subscribe for more tech tips.